How Bashem, How Shai Bashem, Rakakudah Shalom to the 144,000, the rest of you elect out there, Shalom to you all. And I'm going to entitle this video, It's at the Door. So, this video, I was watching some of it, about up to this point, 3 minutes into a 10-minute video. It's put up by Miles Harris. How the U.S. is quietly rolling out digital ID. We've been talking about digital ID with the Prime Minister of, right here, of the UK, Starmer, however you say his name. So this individual right here is comparing the UK to the U.S., how they're pretty much a different language you can say. But here we go. UK, Trojan horse strategy, right? Convenience, while employers and banks are nudged to opt DVS checks. Trojan horse strategy. Verify for right to work, and AML KYC for banks. So I'm reading this from the bottom to the top. Categories: certified private providers, UK, statutory register of digital verification services. So the law is already in place. The only thing left is it to be rolled out. DVS, which is digital verification services. Creates government approved intermediaries for banks, etc. We've been talking some years back. We've been talking about the CBDC, central bank digital currency. See, all this is going to come at you piecemeal, and the icing on the cake is the actual chip. U.S. certified private providers, certified private providers. U.S. ID ME or ID me. Experian, that checks your credit. You get a credit score. You got Experian, you got two others. LexisNexis Verify ID for benefits, welfare, food stamps, Section 8, whatever. You get anything from the government, it's going to be digitalized. IRS and veterans accounts. You won't be able to do side jobs no more. You could do side jobs, but you're gonna have to. They're gonna tax you for it. They're gonna know that you did it, and they're gonna tax you for it because everything is gonna be digital. No more dollars. Under contract. Let's read this again. Categories: UK, Trojan horse strategy, and I'm gonna look up the word I already know what it means. We should all know, but Trojan horse is during the time of, if you saw the movie Troy, starring this guy, what's his name? Damn, I can't even remember his name. Brad Pitt. He played Achilles. That's a story. That was a play or a story written by Homer, one of the 7 sages. It was a play, and they wanted to attack Troy itself. So they went almost at the end of the movie. They gave a gift to the king of Troy. I believe it was the king of Troy, and the gift was a wooden horse, but it was military men in there, and Achilles was in there. And there was a siege from the inside, So that's what Trojan horse means. Trojan horse strategy. Oh, we're helping you, right? Trojan horse strategy. And like I said, I'm gonna look it up. Convenience, while employers and banks are nudged to opt DVS checks. DVS checks is digital verification service. DVS creates government approved intermediaries for banks, etc. So your bank is connected to the government. It's been connected to the government, but it's going to be connected to the government digitally. So here, look at this. This is it was 10 days ago, and we spoke on this. 86 million accounts frozen overnight. Your next says Genius Act. Yeah, the 86 million accounts that were frozen. It was in was it Thailand? I believe it was Thailand. So there's a big panic. So that forced them. You want to get your money, you got to go digital. Oh, let me see. Give me a second here. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Another one. Put up 9 days ago. Digital ID. How to fight it? Will you make a stance? Well, you're gonna fight. You're fighting a losing battle. Here's another one. Proof they're trying to bring digital ID to the USA. SSA Social Security account new rule. I might want to watch this one. New SSA rule: your bank account could end the SSI overnight. SSI is Social Security income. Russia forces state digital ID pre-installed on every phone. So that, look, you know what? They all work for the same boss. You mean to tell me Putin is saying that's a good idea? What UK is doing, we're going to do it? No, he got the memo too. Trump is going to get that memo soon. He's going to get the script. "12 countries to escape 2030 and the Great Reset agenda." No, they're not one country is not going to escape. Not one country. We'll get them all. Great Reset. When the great reset comes, everything will be digital. You'll be living in a digital world. Here's another one. The global push for digital ID. A dress rehearsal for the, oh, here it is. Wait a minute. A dress rehearsal for the what? For the mark of the beast. And this guy's not an Israelite. Bill Gates says you'll have a tattoo instead of a smartphone. And the majority of the people, the mass majority of the people on the planet Earth don't know what's going on because they don't know the scriptures. There's another one, digital IDs and CBDCs. How to escape the trap. You're not going to be able to escape the trap. So anyway, shalom, on to the next. You know what? Let me do this. I'm sorry. I'd rather starve than be a slave, because it is digital slavery. Britain, do it in the open. Let people get mad about it. U.S. low-key plan it and roll it out under the radar. Digital ID is literal slavery. I like this one. There are very few YouTubers who get the agenda. Miles is definitely one of them. That's the guy that put the video together. But they don't know that it's fulfillment of prophecy. Matter of fact, certain Israelites don't know it. The dirty word of centralization. I will not stand for this, and I don't mind dying to stop it. Here you got this guy Ron Dalton. I wonder what his take is on the MOTB right here. He's lost. Not mad at him. Not mad at him. Got no problem. When he doesn't know. He knows he's an Israelite, but he doesn't have the truth. He doesn't understand the prophecies. Here we go. It's the beginning of the mark of the beast. The children of this world is wiser in their generation than the children of light. This is why these other major camps can't see it, or maybe they're being paid to act like they don't see it. Reject digital ID at all costs. Who remembers the guillotine? Let me open this up. Let me see what this is all about. This is how I would die. I claim Jesus as my King and Savior. In the book of Revelation, formerly Revelations, before the quantum Mandela effect change, it via CERN and D-Wave. It states that no one will be able to buy or sell unless they have the mark. There's people that know. I will never comply, nor hide laws, also known as the Sunday laws, blue laws. In the U.S., our government is doing a lot of gaslighting into getting our citizens to comply. A good time to be an old man like me, but more importantly, what a sad time. Okay, is this Wendy? Okay, this is Whitney Webb. Digital ID, a tool of exclusion. Digital ID, a tool of exclusion. Whitney Webb. So anyway, shalom more till next.